The Ugandan National Culture Centre is a Ugandan statutory body that was established by the Ugandan National Culture Centre Act, a 1959 Act of Parliament, amended 1965, officially inaugurated on the 2nd December 1959. It is charged with providing and establishing theatres and culture centres in the country, encouraging and developing cultural and artistic activities, providing a home to societies, groups, and organizations that deal in art, culture, and entertainment. The center has two main components, the National Theatre and the Normal Gallery, both of which are located in central Kampala. The National Theatre provides a venue for stage performances of different kinds and also serves as a cinema. The Normal Gallery features exhibitions of works of art by both Ugandan and foreign artists. The center also offers a snack bar, which claims to offer the best African dishes served with the best spices and ambience, and the Craft Village, where locally made handcrafts are sold. Oversight of the Uganda National Culture Centre is the responsibility of an 8-member board of trustees appointed by the Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development. The board then appoints a management team that hires other employees.